Hello everybody, we're going to make some blue cheese dressing today. This is a super creamy and delicious recipe I hope you try at home. It is equal parts mayonnaise, sour cream, and buttermilk, and in this video I use 1 cup of each. One teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of dry mustard, half a teaspoon of salt and sugar, and a little bit of cayenne to taste. And then there in the middle there, I add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then of course we got to add some blue cheese. I put 4 ounces of blue cheese in the freezer to harden it up to make it easier to grate. And then I grated half of it. And then I crumbled up the remainder and added it to the dressing. After it's all mixed up, I put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours to let all the flavors marry together, and then put it on some salad. I really hope you enjoy this dressing. Bye.